You're going to want to go to a font download site like dafont.com, and once you get here, there are so many options for different fonts that you can download, and they even have it listed by category, so you can click on calligraphy and see a bunch of different calligraphy fonts. And also, like if I come over here to Roman or Greek, they have Roman and Greek fonts. So there are so many categories. You can even search what you want, and I'm just putting in this bird love font, which I really love. And then you can go over to the right and click on download, and you see up top how it downloaded to my computer. And I'm going to click that little arrow and then double click on the bird love, and I want to double click on that folder there and then double click again on that true type font, and it's going to show me a preview for it, and then I can click install. And sometimes you have to enter your password here, sometimes you don't, but then it is installed in my font book and I can find it right here. So let's try it again. I'm going to type in Bubble Mint. It's another one of my favorite fonts. Go to the right, click download, and then I'm going to double click that pop-up there and double click the zip file so it opens up the folder, then double click the folder again, and I want to double click the true type font. A box is going to pop up where you see the preview, and I'm going to click install, and then it's going to install into my font book and I can find it right here. Now I want to go to Word and open a blank document and type in whatever I want to print, and I'm going to highlight it and make it a little bigger, and then I want to go over here and look for that font that I just installed, and sometimes you can't find it. So what you want to do in this case is completely close out Microsoft Word, and I'm going to delete that file, and then I want to click that and hold on to it and then go up to quit and then let go, and it's going to completely close that out. Then I opened it up again, open a blank document, type in the wording that I want, highlight it, I'm going to make it a little bigger, and then when I go down to this drop list, I'm going to be able to find that Bubble Mint font. It's going to be in that list. And the same thing goes for any other font downloading site. You want to find the download button and follow the instructions that I showed you.